today is all about applying data analysis. Types of analysis: construction project, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and software. Construction project. Companies use historical data from similar projects, consider factors like materials, labor, and overhead costs to estimate the budget for new construction projects. By analyzing past project data, they can identify patterns and trends to make more accurate most estimate for future projects. A construction project is a planned endeavor that involves the building, renovation, or expansion or physical structures such as residential homes, commercial buildings, infrastructure like roads and bridges, and industrial facilities. Here is the detailed explanation of what a construction project entails. Planning design, needs assessment, feasibility study, architectural design, engineering analysis, permitting and approvals. Next is budgeting financing, cost estimation, and budget allocation. Then next is procurement. Procurement, yung napapaloob dito ay material sourcing, contractor selection, and equipment rentals and purchase. Next is construction phase, site preparation, foundation work, structural construction, and system installation. Then number 5 is project management, scheduling, quality control, safety management, and communication. Next is completion and handover, inspection and testing, punch list, handover, and documentation. Next is post-construction, maintenance and operation, and performance evaluation. Each phase of a construction project requires careful coordination, effective communication, and meticulous attention to detail to ensure the successful completion of the project within the specified time frame and budget. Then next is healthcare. Hospital and healthcare providers analyze patient data, treatment costs, and outcomes to estimate the cost of providing different medical services. This analysis helps them optimize resource allocation and identify areas for cost education while maintaining the patient care. Care is a broad field concerned with the maintenance or improvement of health through the prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and management of illness, injury, and other physical or mental impairment. In human, here's a comprehensive explanation of healthcare. Number 1 is components of healthcare. This is the component: preventive care, primary care, specialty care, emergency care, surgical care, chronic care, rehabilitative care, and palliative care. Then number 2 is health provider. The components of health provider is physician, nurses, allied health professionals, mental health professionals, and dentists and dental hygienists. The next one is healthcare settings. This is the component of healthcare settings: hospitals, clinic, long-term care facilities, and home health care. Then number 4 is healthcare system and models. This is the components of healthcare system and models. Number 1 is public health system. Number 2, private health care system. And number 3 is universal health care. And number 4 is mixed system. Number 5 is health insurance. This is the component of health insurance. Number 1 is private health insurance, and number 2 is public insurance. Number 6 is health policy and regulation. This is the components of health policy and regulation. Number 1 is regulatory bodies and health policies. Number 7 is emerging trends and innovation. This is the components of emerging trends and innovation. Number 1, telemedicine. Number 2 is electronic healthcare record. Number 3 is personalized medicine. And number 4, artificial intelligence and robotics. Number 8 is healthcare, public health, and community health. This is the component of public health and community health. Number 1 is public health initiatives, and number 2 is community health programs. Healthcare is a dynamic and complex and field that requires coordination among various professionals and systems to deliver effective care. The goal is to promote health care, prevent disease, and ensure that individuals receive the necessary treatment and support to lead healthy lives. Then number 3 is manufacturing. Manufacturers analyze the data from production process to estimate the cost of manufacturing products. Factors such as raw materials cost, machine maintenance, labor hours, and production efficiency are taken into account to create accurate cost estimates and optimize production processes. Manufacturing is a process of converting raw material into a finished good through various techniques, processes, and operation. It involves the use of machinery, tools, and labor to produce items to a large scale of consumers and in industrial use. Here is the detailed explanation of manufacturing. Number 1 is type of manufacturing processes. The components of manufacturing processes is casting and molding, machining, joining, forming, additives, manufacturing, and finishing. Number 2 is still stages of manufacturing processes. The components of stages of the manufacturing process is design and development, material selection, production planning, manufacturing and assembly, quality, and packaging and distribution. Number 3 is types of manufacturing system. Number 1 is job shop manufacturing. Number 2 is batch manufacturing. Number 3 is mass production. And number 4 is continuous production. Number 4 is key components of manufacturing. The components of key component of manufacturing is machinery and equipment, labor, technology, and supply chain and management. Then number 5 is lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. The components of lean manufacturing and Sigma is lean manufacturing and Sigma. Number 6, Industry 4.0. The components of Industry 4.0 is smart manufacturing and cyber physical system. Number 7 is sustainability in manufacturing. The components of the sustainability in manufacturing is green manufacturing and recycling and waste management. Number 8 is global manufacturing. The components of the global manufacturing is outsourcing and offshoring and global supply chains. Next is retail. Retailers use data analysis to estimate the cost of inventory, including procurement costs, storage costs, and potential losses due to factors like a theft of spoilage. By analyzing sale data and market trends, retailers can make informed decisions about pricing and inventory management to maximize profitability. Retail is a process of selling goods and services directly to consumers for their personal or household use. It involves a range of activities aimed at promoting, selling, and delivering products to end users. Here is detailed explanation of retail. Number one is types of retail: bricks and mortar stores, online retail, omni-channel retail, direct selling, and catalog retail. Number two is retail format. The components of the retail formats is department stores, specialty stores, supermarkets, discount stores, and warehouse clubs and convenience stores. Number three is retail operation. The types of retail operation is merchandising, inventory management, supply chain management, customer service, and point of sale. Then number four is retail marketing. The types of retail marketing is advertising and promotion, sales and discount, loyalty program, and visual merchandising. Number five is trends in retail. The types of trend in retail is personalization, sustainability, technology integration, and experiential retail. Then number six is challenge in retail. The types of challenge in retail is competition, changing consumer behavior and economic factors, and supply chain disruption. Number seven is future of retail. The types of future retail is digital transformation, data-driven decision, and innovative store concepts. Next is software development. Software companies analyze data from the past project, such as development time, resource utilization, and project scope to estimate the cost of new software development project. This analysis helps them allocate resources effectively and set realistic project budget. Software development is a process of designing, creating, testing, and maintaining software application or systems. This process involves a series of systems and methodologies to ensure that the software meets the user needs, functions correctly, and can be maintained and scaled over time. Here's an overview of the key stages and components of software development. Number one is analysis. Number two is planning. Number three is design. Number four is development. Number five is testing. Number six is deployment. Number seven and the last one is maintaining and updates. Highway construction projects. Background. Civil engineering firms use data analysis to estimate the cost of highway construction projects, including road expansion, maintenance, and rehabilitation. Number two is data analysis application. Engineers analyze historical data from similar projects, considering factors such as project scope, material use, labor cost, equipment rentals, and environmental consideration. Benefits. By leveraging data analysis techniques, civil engineer firms can generate more accurate cost estimates for highways construction projects. Next is bridge rehabilitation and maintenance. Background. Municipalities and transportation agencies use data analysis to estimate the cost of rehabilitating and maintaining bridges, ensuring structural integrity and safety. Data analysis application. Engineers analyze inspection reports, structural condition assessment, and historical maintenance data to prioritize bridges rehabilitation projects and estimate associated cost. Benefits. By applying data analysis to cost estimation for bridges rehabilitation and maintenance, authorities can be proactively address infrastructure needs, extend the service life of bridges, and mitigate the risk of catastrophic failure. Water and wastewater infrastructure project. Background. Municipalities and utilities employ data analysis to estimate the cost of water and wastewater infrastructure projects, including pipeline installation, treatment plant grades, and stormwater management. Data analysis application. Engineers analyze historical data on water consumption, population growth, regulatory requirements, and infrastructure condition assessment to forecast future demand and identify infrastructure improvement needs. Benefits. By utilizing data analysis for cost estimation in water and wastewater infrastructure project, municipalities and utilities can prioritize investment, optimize resource allocation, and ensure reliable and resilient water services for communities. That's all. Thank you.